What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Just wanted to share with you something special that I found. This is a leverage platform. You can leverage 100x. This is a margin trading platform. It is anonymous. You only need to sign up maybe with an email and that's it. You can deposit your Bitcoin and you don't have to do any KYC. They don't need to know who the fuck you are and vice versa. But let me show you what I've done so far, okay? I deposited $100 worth of Bitcoin in here. Right now, I'm losing on this trade, but I don't think I'm going to be losing for long. I think it's going to bump up and hit my target. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this. First of all, this is my wallet. Okay, there it is here. As you can see, I've gotten bonus rebate, means I've been gaining ever since I deposited. See, I deposited 0.0018 Bitcoin. And I've gotten all the way up to 0.0019 because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So I was gaining, just not a lot. I figured out what I did wrong. And I contacted support and they were able to help me out. So my available balance is this now. My total balance is this because I'm trading. I'm trying to, and this is in order. So how much I have in order. Okay, so I'm trying to gain and win on this platform. So my goal is to sell it at 56,200, and I did my stop loss at 55,700. I did a stop loss because I don't want to lose that much money. Remember, I deposited $100, but I'm using $10,000 to trade. Okay, this is what I did. I did 100x on my $100. I did 100x, and I put buy. So I think the market's gonna go up. It did go up to 56.2, but I put my trade in a little after that. So I'm watching it bounce, and I think it's going to hit 56.2 before it hits 55.7. Before it hits 55.7, which is around right about here. This is when I'll be stomped out and lose all my money. This is where I stomped out and put a stop loss, so I don't lose all my money. Okay, so again, $100 all I deposited. They gave me a small bonus for just joining. And it's a phenomenal platform. So how do you trade? You can do limit, market, or stop market, okay? You can do either one. The great thing about this platform is that you can set your stop loss and your take profit. Meaning, once you put $100, you put 60x. I wouldn't, see, if you deposit $100, you could put $5,000 here. Okay, well, I'm trading. That's why I say insufficient funds. But for you, it'll go through. But for me, because I'm already trading $10,000 I'm leveraging $10,000 of my $100. So that means it's gonna say insufficient funds. But if you deposit $100 here, $500, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, it'll change. You can use $100,000 with $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So you can trade $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you meet your target. If you meet your target, you could win the profits of that $100,000, ladies and gentlemen. It's crazy. It's real crazy. It's called margin trading, but it is risky. It's really risky. If you can also lose all your money. It tells you right here, the estimated liquidity price. So if it hits this target, you will lose all your $100. I repeat, if the Bitcoin goes down and hits this target before it meets your target, you will lose all your money if you do not have a stop loss. I put a stop loss so I don't lose all my $100. I put a stop loss a little bit above that by $200, give or take, as you can see here. Now, how did I do that? Well, all you had to do is click here. If you click here, you can change it right here. Stop loss, and you just add the numbers and hit set. That's it. Same thing with take profit. Where's the price you think gonna go? So you click that and you put the price. 56,200 is what I set to take profit. So if it hits 56.2, I will get my profit. It tells you here your percentage, your return on investments as of right now live. It's going to show that to the right hand side here. Let me show you my histories. Now, I was making some mistakes earlier because I didn't know I can add $10,000. I kept trading just $100. And I should have been earning a lot more money because I've done a lot of trades, as you can see here. I've done a lot of trades and I won all of them except one. And man, if I'd have known this, see, I only bet 100, 111, 111 because I didn't know I could borrow 10,000 to bet. And I 100x'd. which means I would have won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8 trades. I would have won 8 trades on 60 and 100x, as you can see here. This is how much 100x is, and the margin 60x. I could have won a lot of dinero, ladies and gentlemen, but I messed up. But now I know. Okay, so here we go. As you can see here, I said, you know what? Let me add 1,000. I did that one. I closed it at a loss. I did lose, but because I was testing it, I said, oh, I could put 1,000. Let me try 10,000. And so I did that, and now it's active. That's what I have it now, but it's not doing so well right now. But I think it'll bounce from here, from like right around here. It'll probably hit here and bounce back up. Market's looking good, but there's no guarantee because you could see one of these big candles in red come down and stop me out at 5.7, 55.7. So I'm hoping that's not the case. It looks like it's consolidating now, and I hope for it to come up and hit my 56,200 marker right there, right here, right around here. If it hits that, then I win my position. I'll probably be up, I don't know, 30%. 30% of $10,000, ladies and gentlemen, of borrowed money. So 10,000 times, if I can get that, that's $3,000, ladies and gentlemen. That's $3,000 in gains. Plus, they take their fee. They're going to take a fee from that. You'll see your returns, unrealized returns, and realized returns. If in here, you'll see a commission on that. So you gotta, obviously we have to wait and see if it meets the target. But I just wanted to share this video. It's real easy to use. You can trade BTC, USD, Ethereum, XRP, LTC, EOS, YFI. You can use all these, and you can deposit in your wallet. Okay, you click on wallet, and you set your settings. Here's your referral link. If you need to contact support, you can contact support here. But again, you can trade 5x. You don't have to do 60. You can trade 5x. You could trade 100x. It's entirely up to you how much you want to trade. And if you want to go lower than 5x, you can hit this button and select, let me see here, select 1x. Okay, so, well, the minimum leverage is 5 and the maximum leverage is 100. So just that's what it says there. But I thought you can edit it. Obviously, the minimum is 5. So other than that, that's it. I wanted to share this phenomenal, it's called Margex. It's a great platform. If you want to leverage trade without having to KYC. Okay, so and remember, you can set your price. Just put 100 Bitcoin, $100 with the Bitcoin, $200, $5, and borrow. If you put $500 in Bitcoin here, you can leverage $50,000, ladies and gentlemen. Keep that in mind. I have it on 100x, as you can see here. I think the market is going to go up. Hopefully, it's going to bounce back up here, and I don't get my stop loss hopefully doesn't get met. I would hate to see my stop loss get met, considering I was trading really good previously. You know, that's going to suck if it beats it. But I just wanted to share this with you guys if you're willing. But remember, you could lose all your money. Keep that in mind. It's risky. This is risky margin trading. But it's real easy to use. Not hard at all. You put the quantity amount of, so if you have $100 worth of Bitcoin, like I said, you could put $10,000 you want to leverage. And then you got to select 60x, 40x, 20x, 5x, all the way up to 100x, okay? And once you do so, you just click, is it going to go long? Is it going to go up? Or is it going to go down? Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? And then you can leverage. And then you would stay and watch it. And then remember to add your stop loss and take profit. You want to add that just so you don't lose all your money, okay? So keep that in mind. And again, you can edit that by clicking right here or right here, okay? You want to add that. Now remember, your take profit has to be above the open price, okay? Your open price, this is the target when I open this position. The stop loss can't be below your liquidity price. It has to be above the liquidity. So you can't put 55,500 because it'll automatically liquidate it'll automatically sell your trading position. It has to be above that, okay? So you don't want to get liquidated. It looks like I'm getting close to liquidation. Again, my liquidation is 55.7, which is right around here. I would hate to see it meet that, you know, because I'll get stop loss and then I'll have to do another trade and hopefully gain. But if you love margin trading, ladies and gentlemen, if the market's doing really well, imagine if you would have bought here and leveraged that 10,000. That'd have been 54 all the way up to 55, 9. That was pretty good gains, ladies and gentlemen, from here to here. I was trading this yesterday, all this here, and the day before. I have it on 5 minutes, okay? I have it on 5 minutes. You can change it to 15 minutes. You can change it to 30, an hour, 4 hours, a day. 5 minutes because this is margin trading, so I want to kind of keep it close as possible. Hopefully it's going to turn green and shoot up, but it doesn't look like that. It's going to happen, but I think it'll bounce. If it goes down, it'll probably hit here, 55, 8, 11, and then hopefully it'll go back up. Would hate to see it stomp me out, but again, this is margin trading. This is risky. That's the point. So you can make good gains or you can make bad losses. But as you can see, 10,000 is the quantity of Bitcoin. That's 0.1655 Bitcoin I'm choosing to trade. I'm 100xing. And that's the margin right there. It shows you right there what the margin is. So other than that, if you want to join this platform, I'm going to have my referral link in the description. If you want to trade and get risky. Again, remember, you could lose it all. I have to make sure you guys know that. Do not use your car money, your rent money, any money like that. You have to put money in here that you're willing to lose, okay? You're willing to lose because you don't want to add any of your rent money or car payment money in here and then all of a sudden lose it all. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. You have to make sure you guys understand that. That's all I want to share. If you like risky trading, the link will be in the description. Jump on in. Have yourselves a wonderful weekend. Take care now. Bye-bye.